All right, one of the key objectives of this section is to be able to identify a function, either from a table or a graph, possibly even a formula. And so that's what we're going to do in this first, or in this next example, is we've got a table of values, and we want to determine if one thing is a function of another thing. Okay, so we have a table of value, and this is lift tickets at a certain ski resort. And so you have different age ranges, and then you have a price for the lift ticket given the age range, right? So the first question is asking, is A a function of P? Is A a function of P? Sometimes it helps just to write that out this way. Is A function of P? I'm going to put a question mark because we're being asked that. Or you could replace it with age, right? This is age. Age. And P, of course, is price. So is age a function of price, right? A is, in this case, if age is a function of price, then we ought to be able to give a price and determine one and only one age. All right. So you can see with this example that if I give you a price, if I say somebody paid $100 for their lift ticket, you tell me their age, well, I couldn't tell you, right? It's somewhere between 13 and 69 because all of those ages paid $100. If I told you somebody got in free, well, that person could either be under 6 or they could be over 70. So if you give me a price, I cannot tell you the age. So no. Age is not a function of price. Given a price, you cannot determine exactly one age. All right. The next question, is P a function of A? So again, let's write that out in mathematical notation. F of A. Question mark, because that's the question we're being asked. Right now, the input is age, right, and the output is price. Okay, so this is asking, is price a function of age? Right? If I give you an age, can you tell me exactly one price? Yes, you can, right? If I tell you how old I am, you could tell me, I'm not over 70, I'm somewhere between 13 and 69. You could tell me, okay, yeah, you're going to pay $100, right? So this is, P is a function of A, right? And the reason is that I can give you an age and you can tell me exactly one price. All right. So I'll meet you in the next example. We'll talk about determining functions from a graph.